quickly show you how to fix if you ever build pages and the bottom is bumping up against something or you want to make space on mobile, how you can do that. So let's look at the mobile version of this lift circles page and scroll down to the bottom. And you'll see down here, oh, it looks like you may have already fixed it because this looks adjusted. So, but if this for some reason was running into this or this was overlapping, this is part of the footer. You can tell because it's orange when I select it, whereas everything else in the page part is yellow, or I'm sorry, is blue. This header is the same way. Orange elements in the header are on every page. But sometimes these can get overlapped depending on the page content. To fix it, you want to click on the page background. So in this case, I could just, there's this text box, but then if I click on the outside of it, I can get the page background. If there's a strip or something that avoid or blocks you from getting to the page background, you can also right click, or on a Mac, control click. And if you can choose overlapping items like this and then choose page. Once you have page selected, you'll see that there's this little page uh, tool that makes you can enlarge the page. So I'm going to just drag this down, give it a little bit more space, and then that should be good. Now this may not need that much space, so maybe we just take a little bit of it out. I like to have a little padding though at the end of the page before the footer. I think you must have already fixed this prior to that. It looks like there's a couple of things that got shuffled out of it, so I'm going to fix that. Get this all here. And then, yeah, so now this is all good to go for launching. I'm going to go ahead and publish, but I just wanted to show you this is where you make those edits to that bottom of the page. And if you can't select the page because there's a strip or an image overlapping it, just click on your control click if you're on a Mac, or just right click if you're on a PC, and then you can select the page that way by getting to that. The other question you had, you were saying you weren't sure how to edit the text in the mobile and that it was stuck somehow. I'm not sure what you mean by that, but if I double click on this, I can't actually edit this text. All I can do is adjust the size of it. I can even change the color of it or the alignment of it. But if I want to actually edit the text, like change a word or whatever, you have to go to the desktop version and change it here. And then it will automatically change on the mobile. So hopefully that answers your question. Let me know if you have any others.